Here I am once again, with empty hands and a weary soul. I do not come to pretend. I come just as I am, because I know this is the workshop of God, where He does not discard, where He does not accuse, where the Master works in silence and love.
I arrived with cracks in my soul, with broken pieces I could not hide. I tried to fix myself my own way, but only hurt myself more.
I carry marks from the past, mistakes that still hurt to remember. But I heard your voice calling me, and I could not resist entering.
I do not come here to explain, I come here to give myself.
If I must be broken, let it be in your hands, God, in the workshop of God.
Ruins have a purpose
In the workshop of God.
What is broken lives again, what the world called waste, you take with love in the workshop of God. The heart is born again.
You place me on the table, not to wound me, but to heal me. You removed what was useless, even though it hurt to let it go.
With patience you shaped me when I wanted to run away. Your steady hands did not tremble, even when you saw everything in me.
Though I do not understand the process, though the fire makes me cry, if you keep on working, I know something new will come forth in the workshop of God. Pain is not the end in the workshop of God.
Tears become salt, salt that preserves, salt that heals, salt that gives flavor to life in the workshop of God. I learned to depend on you.
And if you break me once again, I know it is not to lose me. It is because glory could not fit and work was old within me. Break my pride, break my fear, break the silence that silenced my voice. Make me again however you want. I am clay in the hands of my God.
I know no longer who I was yesterday. I no longer carry the same shame. Your signature is upon my life. Your seal has marked my existence. Where there was guilt, there is grace. Where there was chaos, there is peace. The workshop became an altar, and my story will be a testimony.
If you ask me who I am today, I will not say what I achieved. I will say I am a work in progress of the greatest craftsman, my King. In the workshop of God, I've learned to wait. In the workshop of God, I learned to worship. Though I am not finished yet, I can already glorify, because the one who began the work is faithful and will complete it.
Here I am in your workshop.
Break
till